Welcome to Wax Off. My name is Robina Rayasat and I'm a hearing aid audiologist. I'll be talking through our earwax removal videos, so let's see some wax. This patient, let's call him Robert Baratheon. King Baratheon has had 2 earwax removal procedures carried out by me, and I'm always super careful with his procedures because before he came to see me he had quite bad infection post-procedure using irrigation elsewhere, and it was eventually discovered that he had a polyp which he had removed. So I never use water with him, and I'm always taking the procedure very, very slowly. So we're starting off his procedure with the right side. You can see he has quite thick, dark hair on the external part of the ear, and because he has quite sensitive ear canals because of the polyp removal, I'm going to be going really, really slowly. Now I'm gently peeling off the earwax from the side of the ear canal, and as I'm gently peeling off, you can see that a little bit of white keratin layer is emerging, just gone into the end of the suction probe there. So I'm pulling very gently the keratin and earwax blockage. Now I'm readjusting my positioning here to get a better angle for my viewers and also a little bit better comfort for King Baratheon as well. So just a bit of a look there to see what I'm dealing with, and now I'm going back in with the probe to see if we can get that partial blockage out. Now as the probe goes back in, I am using a larger tip to see if we can get that suction going on there. I'm going to the area of where the keratin is visible, and suddenly you can see something moving in the background, and that's the whole blockage on the end of the probe tip there. Now I'm going to freeze the frame just here. I had a comment on our Malta channel from Elizabeth Davies 2732 asking if I could freeze the frame when the wax emerges, and of course I can. I'm always open to any suggestions that make the videos better, so please keep the comments coming. And now I'm going back in on that same side to remove some of the little bits of residue, the oil on the side of the ear canal. And there is a little area of wax just on the left-hand side that I wanted to see if I could remove. King Baratheon is finding that a little bit uncomfortable. So here is the final shot of the right eardrum. There's a hair which is laying across it, but I'm going to leave that in there. Usually I would remove all of the keratin and oil you can see around the periphery, but King Baratheon's ears are incredibly sensitive after the polyp removal operation, so it's best to leave those there. Now we're going over to the left side. You can see this side is pretty blocked up. The consistency of the wax is well oiled, and very quickly as I put the probe into the ear, you can see that it's suctioning it really, really well. It's all going into the tip quite nicely, and you can see that suddenly the whole tip picks up a big piece of wax. It's quite large actually, and that is coming out really easily. A still shot for Elizabeth Davies 2732 again here, and for those who want to see a bit more closely. Now I'm going back in and very gently removing the peripheral wax. I can be a bit more normal with my procedure on this side, although psychologically, even though this ear hasn't been operated on, King Baratheon still finds it quite sensitive on this side. There's a little bit of keratin stuck on the roof of the ear canal. A really nice, satisfying skin pull there for those of us who love the skin pulls. Here I am trying to remove a large, thick hair, but it doesn't seem to want to come away. So again, I'm going to leave that there. A little bit more of the surrounding keratin also coming away. And I think we are done with this ear. So here's the final shot of the left eardrum. There is a singular thick hair sitting near the eardrum, which we will leave because Robert Baratheon really finds the whole procedure pokey, so that is best left where it is. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate everybody coming back every week, and we are now coming up to episode 18. Let me know if there's anything that you'd like to see. Please do continue to like, subscribe and comment, and I will see you in the next one.